Okay, this tutorial we will try to make this sofa. Why we make this sofa? Because I want you to try to use the modifier cloth to make the pillows. Okay, let's get started. Uh, from this picture, you can see the size of the picture is 500 by 500. So at first, I will create the plane here to extract the reference pictures in the scenes. So I will create it 100 centimeter by 100. And then I will rotate it up 190 degrees. And I will drag the pictures and press on it. Okay, now we will have the pictures to see as a reference when we made it the sofa. I change the grid spacing to 10 centimeter to see the estimate size of the sofa that it should be. As well, because I select the unit to be like a 1 centimeter, so the grid spacing is coming like a centimeters too. Okay, next I will freeze it by check the frozen in gray off and then freeze selection. Okay, now it freeze. Don't worry to move it. Next, from the structure, I estimate the size of the sofa is around 185 by 70. So I will create a box at the same size that I given. 185 by 70. I will switch between width and length and height is 5 centimeter. I think this is the 2 inch and this side is or maybe we can use this like a 4 inch and this 2 inch. It depends on you. Okay, I will do this like 190. And also the height is 5. And section I think like 3 by 3 by 1 Okay, we got the box, and then we will create the shape of the sofa structure from this one. Okay, we will convert it to the editable poly, and then we select the vertex. Before we select the vertex, we will move it to the origin, and then we will see it from the top view. Then select the vertex. We can see the size of the Y is 35. So I will move this one to 30. And this one in X is equal to minus 95. So I will move this to minus 90. And this size 90. Okay, then we select the polygon and select the outside and extrude. I will extrude it, estimate like a 40. Okay, now we got the shape of the structures follow to these pictures. Next, we will create the leg under the structures. So I will create another box. By the size 170 by 50. And also the thickness is 5. And the segment here is 5. And the width is 5. And the length is 1. Okay, and I also convert it to editable poly. And I move it to the origin too. Okay, I will hide this one first by use the Scene Explorers. Box 1, hide. Okay, we use the vertex and change to the top views and zoom extend to see the full object. Okay, we check the location of this vertex. It's 85, so I will move this to 80. And this one move to 75. And this one to minus 80 and minus 75. And location here is 25, so this one should be 20 and minus 20. Oh, just 20, not 2000. Let's check with the reference. Maybe we can move this two leg closer inside, but anyway, this just a roughly made, so I will keep it like this. Okay, next I select the polygon and then delete both sides. Use the perspective view. Okay, I select the edge and click on this edge and then hold shift button and then drag it. You will create the new polygon. And then we select the target well and then we click on the edge and drag it to another edge. Now it's close, but it's about the shade and shadow. You move it and you can see it's already close. We do the same thing with this size. Select edge, shift, hold the shift button, drag, and then select target well. Click on the edge and then drag. You can see the dash line, drag to the other edge, that is the target that we want to weld it. Okay. After this, we select the borders and cap. Okay. Okay, after we got the structures, we will extrude the leg from the polygon below. I will extrude them like a 15 centimeters. Okay, change to the front view. Vertex, I will check this. So it's minus 15. I will move this up 15. Okay, now it's facing on the origins. And I will check this. What is the height of this one? So it's 20. Okay, I will press the box one bottom on 20. Now it's 0. So I will move this to 20. Okay. Now we got the structures of the sofa. What we're going to do next is make the pillows. There's a lot of pillows inside. Okay, I will try making the pillow to show you that how it's made. At first I will create another plane. And place it on the ground. But I will move it a little bit aside to show how the pillow will look like. Next, I create a box. For the pillows, I will give the size to, I think it's around 65 by 50. I give it 65, 50. The height is, I think, 1 centimeters. And the size, segment, I give it 65 by 50 by 1. And next, I will copy it. Okay, now we got 10 pillows. I will hide this first. I will move this group of pillow up. So it's the same as the when we made a cloth on the tablecloth. We need to let it falling down to touch the ground to get the effect. Okay, I will see the front view. How high is it? Okay. I will select all of this. Just only the show object, and then go to modifier cloth. And then object properties. We give the first box cloth cotton, and then come here at the pressures. we give it 10. The next cloth pressure is 20. Cloth pressure 30. We do this till it 100. And plane is the collision object. Then okay. Okay, next we will simulate the pillows. Um, okay, I will simulate local now. You see how it's pop up, and it's like a, it depends on the pressure that we give. You can see the difference from every pillows. And we wait till it fall down to touch the ground. If you don't want to wait, we can stop simulate by click on it again. Okay, we can see this like a 10%, 20, 30, 40, and then we compare with the pictures of the sofa, how many percent it should be, and then we select it. I think maybe this one or this one is okay. Okay, for now I will select this, and then I will delete the rest, or maybe I will keep this, because sometimes maybe we will change all my letters. Okay, now we got the pillows. Okay, I will bring back the seat, the sofa structures, and I will move them to set on the sofa. You see this one and this one is too blow up, so it has the gap at the size. So we will use this one is better. So this one is like a 30, I think 30 or 40. So I will create it again, but make it a little bit bigger because the size of the inside of the structure is equal to 180 length. You can see here. So I will make the pillows a little bit bigger than this and then put it in size. Okay, I will create the pillows again. So it should be 60, right? But when it blow up, it will shorter than 60. So I will make it 70 by 50. I leave the gap behind because we will have the backlist here also. I will create 3 of them. Okay, this one I will hide first. Block 1 and we do this. Block 2 and bring the pillow up. Not sure it's gonna be on. Not will try. If not, we will make the smaller size to fit in. Okay, now we select the don't want, you just this by put a shift and rotate. Okay, we hide it. Yes. The map angle. And if try to choose only one angle, change that. And now we got the backlash also. And if we see on the size, it should need more slope, so we will rotate it. Then we need to take triangle. Like this. And then if we want to do more, we create a small pillow and put it on the size. Here I will give it like a 45 by 25. This one, I think if I put it too close to the structure, so when it fall down, it touch the structure and then fall inside. A bit smaller. Okay, this is just only for the concept. Next, I will do the plot. select them and then assign the materials. It's a little bit darker, but it's okay. We just need the concept that how to do it. Next, the pillows. Select the second, and then select the button next to the gray colors. Go to General Bitmap and select the material that you download from the internet. Assign high faces. Okay, and then the fabrics. Okay, this is the materials. And if you see, because we clone it, both of them has the same wrinkles. If we don't want it to be the same wrinkles, we can adjust it by using the modifier noise. Okay, check the noise. Okay, try the first one. Okay, you can see the wrinkle that we made. So we can adjust it one by one to make it different. This one I make it too much because I want it to be obviously seen. Okay, then you keep continue. Do it on the pillows then till it finish. Okay, this is the end of the tutorial.